outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Welcome to my channel, welcome back if you have watched my videos before. My name is Claudia and I'm so happy that you're here watching this video. Today is Vlogmas Day 2. I'm so excited about Vlogmas this year. I've never done Vlogmas on my channel before and I'm just so excited to be doing it. So yesterday I uploaded Vlogmas Day 1, I'll have a link below if you guys want to check it out. But today is Vlogmas Day 2, so as you will see from the clips, I went and did a little bit of Christmas shopping, so you'll see some like clips of the really pretty Christmas decorations in store and like a lot of the Christmas sort of installations that we have at the mall. So you'll see all of that. They look so pretty this year. And I'm going to be doing some Christmas baking. The dessert that I'm like baking is not specifically Christmas related, which, hold that thought, I will be doing some Christmas baking, which I'll obviously vlog and show you guys, but they're going to be sort of Christmassy desserts and like desserts with Christmassy decorations, Christmassy sprinkles, things like that. So I'll obviously vlog that when I do that. But today I'm going to be baking Kinder Bueno cookie bars. Now, I have made cookie bars before. I've made mini egg cookie bars, which I do at Easter time because that's when you can... Am I out of focus? That's the only time you can get mini eggs. So I'm making Kinder Bueno cookie bars today. Okay, thank you little bird for your input. And the recipe is from Jane's Patisserie. So Jane's Patisserie is also the creator of like the mini egg cookie bars. And the other day I was on YouTube and I was watching some vlogs and I came across this YouTuber, Gemma Louise, who I've never watched before, and I watched one of her vlogs for the first time and I really like her content, so I'll have a link to her channel below. But I watched this one vlog in particular where she was doing a few things like Christmas decorating, organizing like her Christmas decorations in the house. It was really cute and cozy, and she did some baking and she made these Kinder Bueno cookie bars and I was like, oh, Jane's Patisserie. So I was like, these look divine. Like she showed her like clips of her baking them and then she did like a taste test and I was like, they look delicious. Like I need to try them. Considering I love the mini egg ones, I'm sure I'll love these. So yesterday I went and bought all the ingredients and actually all I needed was the Kinder Bueno chocolate. I have everything else. So I'm gonna bake them today. I will show you guys how they turn out. I'm so excited. So yeah, let me just take you along with me. Tonight I'm going to the Dune premiere at my like local cinema with my friend. I don't know if I'll vlog that, but I just want to let you know that's what I'll be doing. So going there tonight, they're doing an event for it, which is exciting. So yeah, can't wait to see that. And yeah, let's get baking. So excited to make these. I still feel like I'm out of focus, but we'll just roll with it. I'm just organizing my ingredients. I'm yet to chop these up, but you just use the Kinder chocolate bars like this. Then in the recipe, you use the Kinder Buenos like this. But in the vlog I watched of that girl Gemma doing it, she said to use the white because it actually tastes a lot nicer with the white. So I went with the white chocolate of these, but obviously you can use the milk, it's totally up to you. But I just thought the white would sort of cut through the milk. And then I got my sugar, vanilla extract. I just got to weigh out the flour now and the butter. Okay, all my ingredients are organized and weighed out. I'm about to start making them. I've just put on the Santa Claus, the first movie, because it's one of my favorite like Christmas series. So yeah, I'm gonna start baking them and then I'll update you like throughout the process. So I've got the cookie bar in the tray, and then I set aside, like it says in the recipe, set aside a few little pieces of Kinder Bueno to like squish and press into the dough on top. I did accidentally squash those when I pressed them in, but they'll be fine. So now they're going to go into the oven, and then I will show you guys how they look when they come out. You guys, I just took them out of the oven. They look delicious. I'm going to let them cool for about 10 minutes. That's what the recipe calls for. And then I'm going to take it out with the baking paper, pop it on a wire rack and let it cool entirely, and then I'll definitely cut one up and try it and show you guys. But it smells amazing, looks amazing. How good do these look, you guys? I just they've been cooling for like 10 plus minutes, so I took them out, cut them into squares, and now I'm going to let them cool completely on a wire rack. But I am going to try one because I need to do a taste test, but they smell divine. And they turned out so well. 19 minutes is literally perfect. That way they're still a little bit gooey, and you have like the little bits where there's like melted chocolate. Okay, taste test time. I just put it in this really cute little bowl, and I'm going to use a spoon because this one here is a little bit gooey. It'll kind of like break apart in my hands, but oh wow, that's really good. That hits the spot, and I would 100% recommend using the normal Kinder and then the white ones instead of the milk, because the white, I don't typically like white chocolate, but the white in this is divine. So good. I will link that girl's vlog down below, and I'll put a direct link to this recipe down below as well. Let me know in the comments if you make these, because so delicious. Hi everyone. I just got home from work, like, what's the time? About an hour ago. Actually not an hour ago. What am I saying? Half an hour ago. And unfortunately, yeah, because I had work today, I didn't get to film any like Vlogmas related stuff. So I just wanted to jump on here, film an outro for Vlogmas day 2, and then hopefully get that up tonight for you guys, and then tomorrow I'll hopefully be able to vlog, do some Vlogmasy like style things. But yeah, unfortunately today I couldn't vlog anything. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this Vlogmas. I'm really happy with how the baking turned out, which you guys would have seen. They're absolutely delicious. Like, let me tell you, I just had one. I made a cup of coffee and I just had one, and divine. Like, they're just so good. They keep so well, like the flavor, and oh yeah, you need to make them, you guys. Once again, like, link for the recipe will be down below. I hope you enjoyed this Vlogmas. I hope you're all well. I hope you're all in the festive spirit. If you enjoyed this Vlogmas day 2, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of me or more of my videos, please do subscribe, as it would mean a lot. But without further ado, I'm going to go import this, finish editing, and get Vlogmas day 2 up for you guys. But I hope you enjoyed this, and I shall see you all soon. Bye!